Hello, my name is Tanya Moon and I'm the Investment Director for Trade and Investment Queensland, and I'll introduce the biomedical sector in Queensland, Australia. For those of you who are not familiar with Queensland, we're the third largest state in Australia and enjoy a strong and stable economy. Queensland has strong advantages as an investment destination with a dynamic and diverse economy supported by a pro-business government, sophisticated infrastructure and a skilled workforce. Trade and Investment Queensland is the Queensland Government's dedicated trade and investment promotion agency and is central to the globalisation of the Queensland's economy and job growth. TIQ has 16 overseas offices led by a network of trade and investment commissioners strategically located in 12 markets. TIQ Korea was established 20 years ago, and health, innovation and technology has long been a key area of focus, covering the subsectors of biomedical, health and digital tech, and life sciences. The Queensland Government recognises the importance of the biomedical industry and is strongly committed to supporting this sector to increase business opportunities in our state. The biomedical sector is supported by the US $570 million Advanced Queensland Initiative launched in 2015. Now, our biomedical sector comprises more than 1,232 businesses and has revenues exceeding $600 million for biotech companies and $1 billion for biotech-related research institutes. By building on our state's existing strengths and expertise in the areas listed on this page, including clinical trials, our vision is that by 2027, Queensland will be a regionally integrated and globally competitive Asia-Pacific biomedical industry hub. One of Queensland's key advantages is that it provides a one-stop shop for clinical trials by offering everything needed for designing products, conducting high-quality clinical trials, and generating robust data. The Queensland Clinical Trials Coordination Unit is a dedicated resource to coordinate clinical trial sites and services, and they also provide a free concierge service. The Queensland Clinical Trials Portal was also recently launched. It is an online database connecting you to over 100 Queensland clinical trial sites and service providers. Our state has a national leadership role for teletrials, leading the Australian Teletrials project. Queensland Health was recently awarded a $75.2 million grant to support this project. The TGA is Australia's regulatory authority for medicines and medical devices. The TGA has strict compliance standards that ensure Australian products and services meet the highest global standards. Data from Australia is globally recognised and respected and supports international regulatory applications, including the US FDA and the European EMEA, enabling faster market entry and lower costs. The Australian Research and Development Tax Incentive Scheme makes clinical trial costs in Queensland and Australia globally competitive. This incentive provides tax offsets of up to 43.5% for eligible R&D activities that your company has to conduct to develop a therapeutic product. In early phase clinical trials, generally, Australia is 28% cheaper than the US before tax incentives and 60% cheaper after tax incentives. Lastly, Queensland had a swift and sustained response to the COVID-19 crisis from both health and economic perspectives. As a result of the government responding quickly to the early impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic, Queensland is one of the safest places to do business at the moment around the world. So if you're considering Queensland as a business destination or would like more information, please contact TIQ Korea. Thank you.